What's up? 7:28 right now. We're at the Woodbridge Mall. 89 degrees. Boom. Yeah, it is June 11th, 2026. Gonna stroll around here, see what's going on. The weather is warm, so it's really nice out right now. Awesome weather. We got the Pocket 3 LBG, little big guy in his house. Our camera star of the show. Shooting in HLG, HDR. For the feel like you're there film. So yeah, we're trying to be as real as we could be with what we got. We got a little LBG rocking and rolling. Let's go. Let's see what's going on at Woodbridge Mall today. Super warm weather right now. It's like summer vibes. So we haven't been here since the cold, when it was freezing cold out. So let's see what it's like here today. Okay, let's go, let's go. And I don't think this is a Simon Mall. Last time I was here, I think I said Simon Mall. So I think I've been corrected. I didn't research if it is a Simon Mall or not, but I don't think it's a Simon Mall. Drop a comment if you think it isn't a Simon Mall or is a Simon Mall. And Simon Malls, there's a lot of Simon Malls around here in New Jersey. That's what a Simon Mall is. They own a lot of malls. Menlo Park Mall being one of them, right down the street here. Awesome, awesome mall. And this mall, the Woodbridge Mall, is one of those malls that has a cult following, basically. Got a class going on in here. There's a lot of stuff in here like that, like classes and things like that. Craft services. Let's just take a peek. We're not going to really walk around in here. You see there's some kind of craft thing going on here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Don't want to really stroll in there too much. That's pretty cool. Let's take a walk this way. Walk this way. Walk this way. All right. What's going on here? Wow, it's a lot of stuff going on around here. A lot of non-mall kind of looking things. Non-mall vibes. What's going on here? Is this like a movie or something?
Still rolling.
Maybe like a movie set. Yeah, they're doing a commercial, maybe? Possibly. I'm guessing it's maybe a commercial shoot. I'm not sure. Oh, they got lights down there too. Okay. Yeah, this is legit. They got some controlled lighting going on here. Pretty cool. What's their commercial? It looks like a TV commercial or something. Controlled lighting. TV show?
Yeah, CBS. Cupertino.
Who is it? What is it called?
Cupertino.
Cupertino? Cool.
Cupertino, like the city in California.
Shooting here every day, just today? Okay. Nice. Well, that's pretty cool. So there's a TV show being shot here just for today. Pretty interesting. Okay. Cupertino? I think that's what he said. Please be advised that taping is taking place and connected with the production of a television program entitled Cupertino program that by entering this area, your voice and likeness may be recorded in connection with the program. By entering this area, that's cool. Pretty cool, and there's a bird flying here. Pretty wild. It's pretty cool. Yeah, there's a TV show. Pretty wild, pretty wild. I used to do some acting myself back in the day. So that brings back a little bit of memories. That's pretty dope right here in New Jersey, right here in the Woodbridge Mall. So you've seen it here first. It's going to be on CBS, Cupertino, Woodbridge Mall. In his house. Okay, Dave and Buster's right here. Let's go, let's go. Let's see if there's any people here today. Now the Woodbridge Mall, I mean, it sometimes does get kind of busy around the holidays in the winter time. But right now, I'm not even sure what we're gonna get as far as as far as lively action here inside the Woodbridge Mall. But anyway, let's take a relaxing stroll. Stroll down memory lane. All right, let's see who's crack-a-lacking down here. This is probably the brightest spot in the mall, right here. They have the lighting in the middle. And this is basically, I guess you can call it the food court here. So this is basically the food court. And I've said it before, I'll say it again. This mall is lacking a good food court. A good food court would definitely liven this mall up a lot, I think. I could be wrong. it's not so easy to build a food court around, you know, with the structure and all of that. But yeah, it's right now it's a little bit slow in here right now. Yeah, there's quite a bit of like outlet, like crafty type of places here. This is a big store here. Wow, look at this one. The Flash Outlet. This is a big one. It's a pretty big outlet, furniture outlet store right there. Might be worth checking it out if you're looking for some furniture. Definitely, I would check it out. I know there's other furniture stores here. It's been a little while since I've been here, but Baka Boza. Okay, and this is where the Sears used to be, and there's the TV show being filmed upstairs. They have the controlled lighting here. Pretty cool. Deals, here's a spot. Deals, pretty big store. Called Deals. I guess you get some deals there, right? To the point. Get some deals. Woodbridge Mall in his house. Got a lot of big dresses here. House of Maya. That's what that's called right there. Some huge ballroom type of dresses. Pretty wild. Pretty wild, interesting. Got the Sabaro's pizza over here. Sabaro's. Real fruit bubble tea. That's in a lot of malls around here. Got the J.C. Penney's over here holding on. Classic spot, J.C. Penney's. Woodbridge Mall 2026 in his house.